Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular tutorial, we are going to see a very simple yet very important topic in Hive, which is how we can use having clause in Hive while writing the Hive query. Okay, so basically I have already created a video tutorial on the group by clause in Hive, and this particular having clause is always used in addition to the group by clause. So basically, as you all know, right, if we wanted to group some data in Hive based on certain aggregation function, then we have to write the group by queries. So on the top of that, as an extension to your group by queries, if you want to put some kind of constraint, or if you want to apply some kind of filter condition on the top of group by data, then you have to write the having clause or having query in that way, right? So this is the example. I'll just show you one data set which I have created to demonstrate the having clause. So I have created this EMP table, and it's a very simple typical table. We have employee ID, employee name, the salary of the employee. This is a float variable. The data type of salary variable is float, so that's why you are seeing it as this added point 0 here. If you see, the data type of salary is float, and then the designation, or sorry, the department in which the employee working, right? So basically, if you see, I just have this particular query. If you see, so the query or how to write the having clause is in this particular way, that select department, right, comma sum of salary from EMP group by department. So what we want to do is we wanted to identify the salary of employees by grouping them based on their departments, and the constraint that which we would like to apply is the sum of salary, right? Whatever sum of salary that we are going to get, it should be, let's say, let me change this particular value, should be greater than, let's say, 20,000. Okay, so that's the constraint I wanted to put. So basically, we are asking Hive that just show me those data sets, those data pointers, where you will get the salary by doing the summation on the top of your salary column. You will group that data based on the department, and if the sum of that particular salary column is exceeding or it is equal to 20,000, then only show me. So let's see, like only 10,000, this John has less salary than the constraint or the filter condition that we have applied. So ideally it should show us all the columns, I mean all the rows, except this third employee. Okay, so let's see. So the idea behind creating this particular video is like how we can use having clause in Hive, and this is the query basically. Okay, so if you see, it has shown us these three records where the salary, sum of salary, is more than 40,000, I mean 20,000. So I hope this is a very quick small tutorial on how we can use having clause while writing the Hive queries. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.